In this video, I'll show you how to link your PayPal account to Amazon step by step. By the way, if you're a business owner, PayPal might not be the best solution for you. But I'll explain more about that later in the video. In order to link PayPal account to Amazon, it's important to know that Amazon does not allow you to directly connect a PayPal account as a payment method. However, you can still use PayPal on Amazon by using your PayPal debit card. First, open your web browser and go to the Amazon website, then sign in to your Amazon account. Next, search for the product you want to purchase and add it to your cart. After the item is added to your cart, click on the cart icon and select Proceed to Buy to go to the checkout page. Once you're on the checkout page, scroll down to the payment section where you'll see your existing payment methods. Next, look for the option that says Add a payment method. Under the available options, select Credit or Debit Card. Now enter the details of your PayPal debit card, including the card number, expiration date, name on the card, and any other required information. After entering the details, click Add your card to save it to your Amazon account. Once the card is added, select it as your payment method during checkout. When you complete the purchase using the PayPal debit card, the payment will be processed through your PayPal balance or the funding source connected to your PayPal account. PayPal is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what PayPal offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.